I chose engineering because I really like machines and really like its practical creation part. And this master really focuses on this creation, making machines that are actually worth creating and worth using. And this is something very exciting that I'm very much looking forward to participate in. These machines are the high-end machines used in very large companies here in the region. Companies like ASML, ProDrive and Thermo Fisher. Companies that are looking to push the edge of technology and are constantly working at the extremes of what's possible. Master is about designing complex systems that actually can be used in the high-tech industry. So the complete system, not only just a very specific component, but a very powerful machine. Of course, you need experts in very specific fields, but the field of making a complete system is also a specialization. And a thermodynamics engineer is not expected to know how a complete system works. However, a system design engineer is expected to make it all come together and make a truly complete system. Something that is a specialization in its own. However, a broad one at that. Most complex systems and most interesting systems I've worked on are very complicated interdisciplinary systems. Systems that I currently don't have the knowledge for to actually make truly work. Yeah, it really focuses on new technologies and new concepts in order to gain a next edge in industry. So it's really practically focused on how do we get to the next step and develop it further. After finishing this master, I'm looking forward to have a broad portfolio of practical knowledge in system design that I can directly apply in the high-tech industry here and directly use in making the truly interesting systems. This combined with a very broad network with the best companies here in the region will assure me a good and solid start for my career.